god, dude, it's bigger than the fucking car. Video today. It's gonna be a little bit of a different video. It's gonna be a driving video. Oh, it's gonna be a driving video, and I'm actually making this because I just fixed the Crown Vic, and I just broke it. This isn't my car. This is actually one of my friend's cars, and he's letting me use it because we bought this thing. I mean, he bought this thing a little while ago, and I helped him fix it up, and we did a bunch of stuff to this car, and it's all stripped out right now, as you can tell, but we did a bunch of stuff to this car, and then I got the new wheels for the Crown Vic, which I actually didn't even get a chance to put a video up about. And they weren't I got some different wheels, and then it took about a month or maybe a month and a half to sell those wheels, because the wheels had a smaller hub bore than I needed. So I had to sell those wheels, and then I got some Mustang wheels for the car, and those fit perfectly. But then I twisted an axle. And then after I twisted an axle, at that point I hadn't had a chance to make any videos with the Crown Vic. So here we are. We're here making a video with this 2003 Mini Cooper S. It's a 6-speed manual. It's pretty beefy. It's making around 250 wheel horsepower and 210 at the wheels. And it's been a long time since I've driven manual, but I actually have a surprise coming for you guys in the next month or so, and it is another manual car. It's a rear-wheel drive car, and it's gonna be a whole hell of a lot of fun. But for today, I have to go to work actually pretty soon, and I wanted to make a video of this car because this car is freaking sweet. This is a absolute monster, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty against front-wheel drive. I like rear-wheel drive, and almost rear-wheel drive exclusively. But it was kind of the only car that I had at my disposal. I've driven front-wheel drive cars. I've had front-wheel drive cars. I just didn't really like them that much. They were just kind of commuters. And this is a whole other story. This is the first front-wheel drive car I've driven that has really made me think that these things can be pretty sweet. This thing's quick, this thing's fun. I'm genuinely surprised. So yeah, this car, I like this car a lot. It's a lot different than I expected. I expected it to feel pretty low on power and to kind of struggle, but this is a pretty sweet little car. It's a supercharged 4-cylinder. I thought the Mini Cooper S's were turbocharged, and maybe the new ones are turbocharged. But this here is supercharged, and it is absolutely just so much fun. There's a little bit done to this car. As you can hear, it's got a full straight pipe, It's got an intake, it's got coilovers. It's actually a wide body car. We'll pull over up here somewhere. We'll walk around the car. We're putting on the wide body tonight. It had a wide body on it before, but the previous owner, before he picked it up, before my buddy picked it up, the previous owner had taken the wide body off in order to paint the wide body, but then never painted the wide body, left it off, and so left us to drill out all the rivets and everything. So tonight we should be putting on the wide body, but I don't get off work until probably something like 2 a.m. or something along those lines, so I don't know yet. Oh, there's a cop. Oh, another cop here too. Hold up. So this car is not actually registered. There's no registration sticker or anything. There's an oil change sticker. Yeah, so we can't really get pulled over in this thing. Like I said, it's insured and it's technically road legal. I'm supposed to go get it inspected this weekend, but I gotta take care of that check engine light first. So there's a couple things that need to happen, but we're just gonna have to be a little careful for now. Yeah, so the suspension needs to be touched up, and it might need alignment. It might need an alignment, as you can see here. And I'll tell you guys I'll show you guys what I'm talking about in a bit, where the suspension kind of clunks and clatters or what is clatters? Chatters? It kind of clunks and chatters a little bit. So we think that something in the rear is just not quite done right, obviously. So we're gonna take a look at that when we can. However, the Crown Vic is up on the lift right now, so we won't be able to do that quite yet. But also, we're installing a short throw. The thing about this guy, and the reason that we're installing a short throw, because I don't quite mind this. The reason we're doing it though is because this isn't threaded. It just kind of sits on. And the issue that we have is if I shift too hard into second, this comes off. And that's kind of nerve-wracking. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of this and try to fix the suspension here in the next week or so. And we're gonna throw the wide body kit on maybe tonight. I work until 2 a.m. though, so we're gonna see about that. go pretty slow and try to exaggerate on the suspension chatter. See if we roll up the windows, we can hear it a little bit better. But, oh, that's not even the windows. Cool. You hear that, right? That's what I was talking about. So this is the car. The fenders have been cut, and not very well, but they've been cut. This hasn't been cut, but we already drilled out the rivets. Like I said, it's an older car. It has about 93,000 miles on it, maybe 94, so it's not perfect, but it's in pretty good condition. It needs a new hood. And we still need to drill out the rivets over here. On the fender though, we're okay. Same thing here. Everything, like I said, has been cut already. It's just kind of we're not the ones who cut them, but we're planning on cleaning it up a little bit, trying to cut a little closer to this right here and trying to follow this line, and then grind it and clear coat it or something so it doesn't do that, so it doesn't rust. All right, I don't want to sit at that light, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go out this way. Anyways, I don't work until about 4 o'clock tomorrow, so I'll probably be editing this tonight, and I'll have this uploaded for you guys pretty soon. I still gotta edit another video that I filmed for you guys. I filmed it a couple weeks ago. I filmed it with one of my buddies. I've been working so much, I haven't had a chance to really edit a bunch of stuff, but I think tonight I should have some time. If not, I'll do it here in the next day or two. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.